Renowned lawyer and crypto enthusiast Bill Morgan has expressed the view that a settlement agreement between the SEC and Ripple is a real possibility. According to the lawyer, Ripple's possession of recordings of Hinman's speech has given the crypto company real leverage. In order to leave this data undisclosed, which would not happen when the case is decided in court, the regulator may be inclined to settle, according to Morgan. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. In addition, the lawyer also said that Ripple's reply to the SEC's brief on the summary judgment motion, which will be sent to the case judge on November 30th, could be one of the most telling documents of the trial. Earlier, another prominent crypto lawyer and XRP enthusiast, John Deaton, in arguing for a possible settlement between Ripple and the SEC, estimated its likelihood based on two factors. The first was the condition that the SEC would be forced to give Hinman's speech to Ripple. The second was a court victory for crypto startup LBRY when its LBC token sought to be recognized as a security. 2 months later, Hinman's recordings were handed over, and LBRY lost the trial. However, it seems that the most important thing was to get the former commissioner's speeches, which could expose possible corruption in the regulatory system and undermine the reputation of the SEC. Former U.S. congressional candidate and crypto influencer David Gokhshtein has taken to Twitter to share his opinion on what the market is going to see in the near future. According to him, in the next few months, millionaires will be made. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has responded to Gokhshtein's tweet with black irony, saying that these millionaires will be made out of billionaires. This appears to be a possible scenario, considering Bitcoin's recent nosedive below the $16,000 level for the first time since early 2020 following the FTX collapse that severely damaged the cryptocurrency market. Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderete, has said that the SEC has not labeled XRP as a security, nor does the agency have the power to do so. He further explained what he meant. One judge put it this way: the SEC can only ask the question, and the court ultimately answers. The Ripple general counsel was reacting to a New York Times report on SEC Chair Gary Gensler in the wake of the FTX collapse. Alderete responded to a statement in the report that stated that XRP had dropped in the rankings since the SEC labeled it as a security. Crypto law founder John Deaton, commenting on Alderete's post, made it known that only the court could label XRP as a security. Let me add that the SEC itself acknowledged that it does not determine whether an asset is a security, only the court, he wrote. After the collapse of FTX, Gary Gensler remains at the center of the discourse on crypto regulation. Gensler has fined several cryptocurrency companies for securities violations during his 19 months as SEC chairman, with some of the penalties reaching $100 million. The Howey test, a legal analysis that was defined by the Supreme Court in 1946, serves as the basis for Gensler's claims that most cryptocurrencies were securities. Let me add that the SEC itself acknowledged that it does not determine whether an asset is a security, only the court, he wrote. After the collapse of FTX, Gary Gensler remains at the center of the discourse on crypto regulation. Gensler has fined several cryptocurrency companies for securities violations during his 19 months as SEC chairman, with some of the penalties reaching $100 million. The Howey test, a legal analysis that was defined by the Supreme Court in 1946, serves as the basis for Gensler's claims that most cryptocurrencies were securities. The cryptocurrency sector has responded that the SEC is attempting to cram digital currencies into an antiquated framework. The NYT report stated that the outcome of the Ripple lawsuit, which the SEC filed in December 2020, may ultimately determine how much of Gensler's agenda is accomplished. The outcome will also draw attention in Congress, where several bills related to cryptocurrencies were introduced this year. The collapse of FTX has prompted greater scrutiny. Screenshots of Gensler's public meeting schedule, which indicate many meetings with FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, have been making the rounds on Twitter and have put him at the center of the present discourse. Whale Alert Blockchain Tracker has reported that over the past 5 hours, nearly 338 million XRP have been shoveled by anonymous wallets in 2 transactions. While the XRP price is down more than 5% over the past 24 hours, prior to that, the chart demonstrated bullish behavior. The aforementioned crypto tracker spotted 2 transactions, one carrying an astounding 288,684,193 XRP and the other moving 49 million XRP. Together, these 2 lumps of XRP are worth roughly $117.7 million in fiat. 2 days ago, on November 19th, a transfer of similar size was detected by Whale Alert. 296,396,865 XRP evaluated at $113,756,355 were moved between wallets that the crypto tracker marked as unknown. Recently, the XRP chart formed a pattern that, back in 2013 to 2017, preceded a surge of the XRP price to the all-time high of $3.84, a bullish triangle. Back then, after exiting the pattern, the price of the Ripple-affiliated coin jumped a mind-blowing 4,430%. So far, the effect of exiting the pattern has been hit by the negative impact of the FTX scandal, when even Bitcoin dipped below the $16,000 level briefly, something not seen since early 2020. However, if current developments on the chart play out correctly, by October 2024, XRP might be able to reach $30 on momentum. According to a recent report by The Times, Ripple, a San Francisco-based fintech company, is interested in purchasing the assets of failed cryptocurrency exchange FTX. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that he would buy the parts of FTX that served business customers, as well as its stakes in other companies. Thus, he would be able to strategically scale the company, which aspires to continue growing even during the current bear market. As previously reported by U.Today, on November 11th, FTX filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy after failing to secure a bailout from a slew of investors. Data shared by Whalestats platform indicates that over the past weekend, the number of SHIB holders has added several thousand more. At the moment, there are 1,280,153 investors that own the Shiba Inu main crypto. This is almost 10,000 more than the 1,271,666 observed on November 17th. However, this impressive achievement has not affected the token's price as it continues trading in the red at $0.00008609 per CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, SHIB adoption continues to expand as an Australia-based Shiba Wings diner is expected to open really soon. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.